Welcome back, it's Jab Anima back again. Last two videos we learned how to create geometry and we learned how to keyframe, but you may have noticed that if we're in edit mode we can't keyframe because if we press I it's just going to do an inset. So we're going to need a new system and that system is called geometry nodes. So let's get to Blender right now. Let's click on Mr. Cube, go to the geometry nodes at the top. We're going to click new node, then we're going to set it up just like I have it on the screen. We're going to first subdivide our cube, then extrude those subdivisions, and the offset scale is going to extrude those subdivisions, and we're going to manipulate that with the wave texture. So a cool thing about working with a wave is that it's using a sine function, which is fancy for wave. So we can set our first keyframe here at 0, and a wave will repeat at 2 pi. So we're going to put 2 pi as our last keyframe, and now we have a looping animation. We can really see the wave if we add more subdivisions. Geometry nodes is super powerful. I suggest you guys come in here and play around a lot because this can be a great tool of inspiration. And that's it for today. Catch me out on YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter. I'll see you there.